Hi everybody, my name is Fatima Williams and I'll be doing my presentation on Julie S. Vargas. Miss Julie was born in 1938 and she is still alive. She is the oldest daughter of B.F. Skinner and she was a teacher for over 30 years. These are some books and articles that caught my attention that she did. And this last one, the last few days highlights her father's last few days before he passed away. And in that article, she talked about how her dad starts his day. And I learned that from this article, I learned that her dad her dad believed in the rights to take your own life, and which he did at the end when he was in the hospital. He refused treatments that could have helped him stay alive longer. So it was a little bit like emotional for me to read this, but it was a good article. And another interview with Julie, that's another article, and basically just highlight her life, her childhood, and her father and her career. And another book is the Behavioral Analysis for Effective Teaching, which in that book teaches way is like highlights how teachers can bring science into their classroom and other settings. Basically, how for them to understand behavior. It's like her work was not just for people in this field, it's for everybody. The like this one right here. So these are my question. If I have the chance to ask her my interview question, one of the question, the first one, what made you decided to follow your father's footstep? And even though from the articles that I read in the interview, I've got an idea, but I wanted to hear more from her. Like, was there a particular point in her life, like when her father was alive, that she was like, I'm going to do this. I want to continue and do the work that and to do the work that she did. And another question, since she was a teacher for over 30 years, and even though she's retired, she still promotes her work. She gives speech. And so the second question for me would be, what was fulfilling about being a teacher? So it would be interesting. And the third question, would you want your kids to continue your work? Why or why not? And just the fourth question, what's your favorite food growing up as a kid? Because I know she talked about her father. They moved a lot as a kid. So that's be another question that I'll ask her. And the last question is about her dad. So why is her work important to the field? So her work is very important to the field because she teaches educate because she's an educator. She educate people about behavior, and she also, because I remember, I think it was the first slide, the first week or the second week, when we was talking about behavior, and she it was talk about about behavior being measurable, quantifiable, and observable. And basically, we deal with things that's outside the skin, not things that's under the skin, because you can't do nothing, you can't see to for it to be measurable and observable. So this is my short presentation. I hope you enjoy, and thank you.